Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Garge line tooth restoring mineral powder. So you should purchase this product or not. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you, like you will see the same product is available on amazon.com with different name, and on amazon.com you will see there are hundreds and thousands of product is available on with the different names. So the thing is, like, when you make a purchase there is no guarantee this thing like you will get the results or not. Okay, and if you buy the product and the product will not work for you and you want to return your product, you cannot get your money back. So this is the only thing. Okay, and if you really want to try, then you can make a purchase, otherwise you can avoid. But the thing I want to tell you, like, you should not buy these kind of product. All product are, you can say, drop shipping product, or you can say when you make a purchase there is no guarantee about this thing you will get any kind of benefits or not. So this is a very basic common product. All the, you can say, website provider, or you can say the Amazon sellers are purchasing the same product with the same seller, or you can say with the same manufacturer, and after purchasing the product at low cost they are selling this product at high cost. Okay, the actual cost of the product is only $1 or $2, but they are selling this product on in like $10, $20, $15. So you should not buy these kind of product. All product are looking, you can say, waste of money product. Okay, so this is the information, and rest, if you have any kind of experience you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.